Hello guys, this video that I'm going to be showing you now is going to be a detailed video on how to retain your coils. If you have a coily hair, body wave, deep wave, and you want to retain the coils back to the way it was when you first got it, you're going to see it right now. You see this hair, I combed it out. I just combed the coils out, and I want to show you guys how after treating it you will see how the coils will be defined. So just keep washing and you're going to see how I'm going to do it. So what you normally do when you're combing this your coily hair, any hair at all, you start from the tips, you work your way upwards. So what I did is to spray water. The bottle that I have on my hand is a water that is inside, and a drop of the twist leave-in condition on it. So I just shake the bottle together, then I started spraying the water on the hair. I will spray the water all over to be sure that the water gets, I'm raising the hair in between underneath just to make sure that the water goes into it, because sometimes when you just spray it on top of the hair, the water doesn't really go inside, so the up will be looking nice and underneath won't have the same coils that the up of the hair I've got. So that's why I'm opening underneath in between the hair to spray the water into it so that everywhere can be defined at the same time. So and if you want to get an extension from us, this hair is from Change Your Look UK on Instagram. Change Your Look UK all in one word on Instagram. Then you'll be able to purchase this hair. I've been using this hair for more than 2 years now, and whenever I treat it, it looks beautiful. Even when I didn't get to like put water on it, it looks very, very nice. It's a very beautiful hair. You will see how the coils will be defined. So after pouring the water all over it, and this was even a quick one I did because I was about to go to church and I was confused which hair to wear, so I just picked, this was the one that was very close to me. I don't need to go and look for where my wigs are to pick wigs, so I just picked this one out. So what I did, after pouring the water, after spraying the water all over it, I used my comb to comb it. I started from the tip. So if you're walking, if you want to comb your hair, make sure that you start from the tip. Start from the tip, comb from the tip, then you work your way upwards. That's what I do. You can see the coils. You can see how the coils is looking gradually. So I combed it and made sure that the comb went through it very well. So I just comb it. Right now, all that is on the hair is the water and the drop of twisted leave-in that I put in. That's what is inside right now, and the coils is looking like this. And it's even a quick one. It's a Sunday morning, so I have to just like, I don't have to. I was even surprised I even film it, because a lot of my customers has been asking like, how do I wash my hair? How do I take care of my hair? How do I retain the coil? So I said, why not? Let me do this video. Then I'll post it and then send to my clients for them to see how to treat it. It's very easy and very simple. If you know how to do, if you follow the procedures very well, you'll be able to like get it just the way mine is. So I'm sorry about the cap that you're seeing underneath. You know what? I wanted to make a wig for a client. So I put the cap on my mannequin. Then when I decide to like, I want to treat this hair, I couldn't like wait to remove the cap. I already pin it around, so I just wear my wig on top of it to like treat the hair. So that's the cap you're seeing underneath underneath my dummy. I'm so sorry about that, but don't worry. If you want to make wig from us, please contact us. We'll make the most beautiful wig you could ever think of, the most beautiful and comfortable wig you could think of. So you could see from all the combing I did, you will see the little hair that just came out of this coily hair. You see it, even me. You will see it, even me. When I was bringing it out, I was making sure that I have to bring everything that is on the comb so you guys can see. So that was what came out. You can see that the hair doesn't even shade at all. It doesn't shade. If it is some coily hair that you combed like this, my dear, everywhere will be so full of hair. So that's it. And this is raw virgin hair anyway. It's raw virgin hair, Vietnamese hair, and it's a very nice hair. Beautiful, beautiful hair. I sold a lot of it, and my clients really love it because it looks very nice. Whenever I wear mine, they will always ask me, where did you get it from? I will just tell them, please go to my Instagram page and check it out. The hair is really, really very beautiful. It's very, you can see how defined the coils is. You can see how beautiful this is looking. You can see how beautiful. It's really very beautiful. You don't have to do too much. If you follow the step properly, you will get it just the way it is. You see the twisted leave-in condition that I use. I will show you the portion that I just that little drop. That's all I need. That's all I need. I can even go use it just like this without putting the leave-in through it. So but that's how much I added to the hair. So I just rub it around, rub it all over the hair, make sure that it goes all over. And then there is a way I like doing the tips of my coily hair. I'll just use my hand, pack it upward, like push it upward. You see me doing that now. Push it outwards because I want there is a particular coil pattern I want the tips to have, so it will look like in these pieces coils, like a jerry coil. So I just use my hand to like pack the tip of the hair upward so that the coil can be defined, more defined. The tips can be more defined. Yeah, you'll see me doing that. I'm just combing, trying to comb through it to make sure that it is well combed, that there is no tangling on it. So you have to comb very well. And the wig brush, the brush I'm using to brush this hair is the Detangling brush. If you're in Europe or you're based in UK, you get it in Boot. I normally buy it from Boot. It's Detangling brush. So it detangles. It's very good with weave on wig, even natural hair. This comb is very, very nice. You'll get it in boats, any of the boats. If you're based in UK, any of the boats you'll get it. But if you're in Europe, just look for a detangling brush. Just look for a detangling brush for your wigs. It's very, very nice. It will give you those it's easy to use. It's stress free, so it's good. If you are a fan of wave on wigs, you should try it. You should have one. It's very, very nice. So that's all I did to the wig. So like I told you, now you can see how defined and how beautiful this really looks. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is really very beautiful. I love it. So I just use my hand to shove it up so I get that coil pattern I want to have. I just pack it together and just squeeze it with my hand so that you could see the difference when you squeeze it up, and when it's dry, that's how it will look. You just squeeze it up, just use your hand, pack it up, and you see how defined the tip will look. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. How beautiful this is. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's looking as if I just got the hair. As if I just made the hair. But this hair has been more than 2 years. I've been rocking it. And every time it's looking beautiful. Whenever I wear it, I always have people asking me, where did you get your hair from? It's really very beautiful. So if you want to style your hair, you now have idea on how to do it. Please, if this video helped you in any way, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll be showing you different kind of things, different this and that. That's what will be coming up on this channel. So just keep your eyes stick to this channel. We'll be posting from time to time, and I hope this video helps you. Please, if you have other friends, or if you are a stylist as well, you want to share this video, you can share it as well. Share the video to your client. You can share the video, and so your clients can have idea on how to style their coily hair.